How to turn off iCloud Drive on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. So in today's video, I'll simply guide you on how you can actually turn off iCloud Drive on your iPhone. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. So in order to go ahead and then actually turn off iCloud Drive for your iPhone, all you have to do is first of all open up settings, then tap on your Apple ID profile. Then you want to go to the option called iCloud. So basically, first of all, before we get to turning off iCloud Drive, if you have any types of data backed up to iCloud and that you want to delete it, in that case, just go to manage account storage. And once you go to the option called manage account storage, scroll and then look for backups and then just tap on it. So once you tap on the option called backups, here you'll be able to see a list of backups, so you can just turn them off and delete those backups. Now in the future, if you don't want to back up anything, just come back and then you can see iCloud backup. All you have to do is just make sure to turn this off right over here. So basically when you turn this off, none of your data is going to be backed up and then your backup is also going to be deleted. And that's all it takes to turn off iCloud Drive on iPhone. We hope the video was really helpful. And if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.